Good afternoon, my friend. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is about food, shopping bags, and disaster. Yes, you guessed it. It happened at the supermarket. It was Saturday morning. The sun was shining. My stomach was growling loudly. So I decided, okay, today I will buy food. A lot of food. When I arrived, the parking lot was full. So many people. Families with kids, students with small baskets, old men checking fruit. I thought, no problem. I just need a few things. I'll be fast. Ha! I was wrong. Very wrong. I entered the supermarket. There were two choices, a basket or a cart. I thought, I don't need much. A basket is fine. Big mistake. Huge mistake. First, I put in bread, then milk, then eggs, then bananas, then cookies, then chips, and then ice cream. Of course, always ice cream. After 10 minutes, my basket was full. After 20 minutes, it was exploding. I had to carry it with two hands. My arms were shaking like jelly. People looked at me and laughed. I looked like I was exercising at the gym. I tried to walk to the checkout, but on the way I saw more food. Cheese. Chicken. Juice. I couldn't resist. So I balanced everything in my basket. It was like playing Tetris with food. At this point, I asked myself, why didn't I take a cart? Why? But it was too late. I was trapped. Finally, I reached the checkout counter. But the line was very, very long. Children crying, babies screaming, old man counting coins. I sighed. My basket was heavy. My back hurt. My arms hurt. 10 minutes passed. 20 minutes. 30 minutes. I wanted to cry. At last, it was my turn. The cashier smiled. She scanned my items. Beep, beep, beep. I gave her my card. The machine said, error. She asked, do you have cash? Cash. No. I froze. I panicked. The people behind me stared. One man was angry. One woman rolled her eyes. A kid laughed. I wanted to disappear like smoke. In the end, I gave the basket back. My dream dinner disappeared. I walked slowly out. My arms were empty. My stomach was empty. My heart was empty. When I got home, I opened the fridge. Empty. I opened the cupboard. Empty again. I almost cried. But then, surprise. I found instant noodles. My hero. Dinner was saved. I laughed. I said to myself, next time take a cart. And bring cash. Always bring cash. Lesson of the day: the supermarket always wins.